rain and snow melt is possible. Where portions of
Why didn't the 521 go off?
northern Vermont, including the northeast Kingdom when from late Sunday night through Tuesday morning. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Additional details. Wide passing through the In addition, significant snowmelt is expected Sunday into Monday given near record temperatures and strong winds. The combination of rainfall and snowmelt is expected to bring area rivers into minor flood stage with some rivers possibly approaching moderate flood stage. www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
Yeah, why didn't that go off?
Forecast for northern New Hampshire and western Maine. Tonight, partly cloudy.